Hi friends, in this video, we will take a quick look at the different types of files. Information can be stored on a computer disk as a named location or a file, and Python comes with the inbuilt ability to interact with these files. But before we start reading and writing files, let us try to understand the different types of files that we can interact with using Python. Primarily, there are two types of files: text files and binary files. A text file is the simplest way to store information in a human readable text format, comprising a sequence of ASCII or Unicode characters, which includes numeric values. It is easy to view and modify the contents of a text file using any text editor like Notepad or even idle. Even the Python script is stored as a text file given by the extension .py. .txt is the most popular extension used for a generic text file. Although text files do not have any structure, there are international standards defining some rules for creating specialized text files like CSV files, which have the extension .csv. This is the most popular data exchange format where each row is a set of comma-separated values. TSV files, which are similar to CSV files, but the values are separated by tabs instead of commas. XML files have the extension .xml. It is a popular data exchange format which can store hierarchical data. JSON is currently the most widely used web data exchange file format. HTML files are text files with contents written in the hypertext markup language designed to display contents in a web browser. Although the contents of a text file is human readable, in reality, this information is stored on the disk in form of machine readable bytes, that is, zeros and ones, one character at a time. This makes the format simple to be operated by any application, but it is less efficient and consumes more memory as it has a greater file size. In a binary file, the contents are also stored in form of bytes, but these bytes do not directly translate into ASCII or Unicode characters. Rather, these bytes can represent anything like complex data structures, images, audio, video, and more. As there is no simple rule to determine the basic unit of information, so opening a binary file in a text editor will display garbage values, and even a single bit of change can corrupt the entire file and make it unreadable. Hence, specialized softwares are required to read and write binary files. Python has a built-in pickle module which has implemented protocols to read and write binary files, having .dat or .pickle file extension. Now that you are familiar with the different types of files, let us venture deeper into file handling using Python in the next set of videos.